Welcome to DAP for Do. Hope you are all doing good. I would urge you to be cautious and be safe. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a simple salwar. So I have taken 2 meters of fabric and folded it into half and half. That is 4 layer together. So firstly, we will make the crotch line. So I would need 10 inches. So 1 inch extra for seam allowance on both the sides. So this will be the center of the pants. And now for the length of the pant below the waistline, I need 35 inches. Okay, actually 34 and 1 inch for the extra seam allowance. So here I am taking the opening as 9.5 inches for the bottom opening. Now we will join the center crotch line to the bottom opening. So this is the length of the center length of the pants. Basically this part would be used for the waistband. So I'm just cutting it. Make sure that the bottom comes on closed ends and the top would be on the open end. So this will be the extra fabric which we have. I've opened it up and I've just discarded the extra pieces which are there, so that we'll get a rectangular piece. So this is in double fold. For the waistband we would need 24 inches in double. However, we have only 16, so extra fabric would be needed here. So these pieces which were extra, I'm just making them into a rectangle of the same length as the waistband. So these two corners are the extra part. So we will have to place one above the other and give a double sew, so that we will get a nice rectangle. After saying this, I've given a double lining over here of the stitches. So now discard the extra parts. So this will be the bottom band, this will be the center portion, and this will be for the waistband, where I have attached the extra portion to make it 24 in double. So I've attached the crotch line here. So this will be the waistband. The center portion of the waistband and the crotch line should intersect. So we will have to add few pins. I've added one frill at the sides of the back portion where we have attached the center, and this will be for the front, where we will get two frills on either sides. So this is how I've attached with the help of pins, and I have sewed it. So now for the bottom band, we have to make extra fabric like this. So whatever the rest of the fabric is there, I am folding it into 3 parts. One part will be inside, so that we will have a thicker bottom band. So now I will attach it onto the bottom opening of the pants. So after attaching, give another stitch at the very bottom and then do a zigzag crisscross stitching, so that the inner portion also will be thick and in the place. And on the top of the waistband, we will just give some seam allowance and stitch, so that we will have for the elastic. So I have given a small opening, and you can insert a dory or elastic. Now I will add a triangle portion at this bottom, and this is the only scrap which I have got from this. I have attached a triangle portion at the crotch area, and that's it. Our simple salwar is ready. I hope you like this simple budget idea of making a salwar at home. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Namaste.